Exploring complex industrial VR sites can be challenging. That's why we built Terra, an AI-powered assistant inside the Deepstor geothermal simulation. Terra enhances the user interaction, delivers contextual information, and supports immersive training and educational experiences. Built from the ground up, it understands the virtual scene and responds in natural language powered by the OpenAI API. Developed by the 8 students for the 2025 Virtual Engineering Practical course, Terra transforms VR into an intelligent, interactive training tool for the future of industry. This is the start of something bigger, opening doors to new possibilities. And now, here it is.